Let's feed these cables up through. We have to find a way to separate the film on the edge. There is a piece of tape attached to it, a black piece of tape that must be there for a purpose, yet it's on top of the film. So I'm going to remove that tape and apply it here from the back of the digitizer and over the back of the circuit for the function buttons, as the circuit is part of the frame, or at least attached to it. Maybe that will help secure it somewhat. So now we have the tape over that part. Notice it's not over the glass at all, just over the black bottom of the screen and that ribbon circuit. Okay, I have here just a piece of soft cotton cloth. I'm just going to make sure there are no smudges or fingerprints on the back of this glass. And the LCD. And we see have the digitizer connectors along this side. Of the frame. So face down. Go ahead and apply a little pressure and reseat this connector here. And the LCD connector, the short digitizer connector, the longer digitizer connector, and it doesn't take much pressure. You will actually feel it snap into place. The screw holes for the 4G SIM module. It appears that this piece holds the piece beneath it in place. Connected. Torx T5 screws. Now, one thing I will do once I get this back cover on, before screwing everything down, I will reinstall the SIM and battery and do a power-up test. Okay, we have boot up. Now the outside film is still on here, but I'm going to see if it responds to my touch. And we see that it does. Check the function buttons. All the function buttons are operational. I'm going to go ahead and remove the film.